This video is going to show you how to set up your GS door interlocks for the first time. Everything referenced in this video is taken from the GS locking and non-contact type user's manuals. When using a locking type GS, be sure that the escape release pin is pointed toward the lock position on the front and back of the interlock. When installing a locking style GS, locate the target on the front of the GS main unit, as well as the target on the actuator. These will need to be lined up in order for the unit to properly lock. Once the lock bolt is inserted, the highly visible indicators will flash green, indicating it is ready to be locked. Once a lock control input is sent, the unit will go solid green on the OSSD indicator, the lock indicator, as well as the highly visible indicator lights. The actuator will now be locked to the main unit. Stop sending that lock control input when you're ready to release the door. In the case of a safety input error, where the OSSD is solid red but the unit appears to be locked, you may need to refer to the manual as to how to wire your red-black and red-white striped safety input wires. If any other lights are flashing on the interlock, take a look at the troubleshooting section in the back of the user's manual to identify what the error could mean and how to resolve that. When installing a non-contact style GS, be sure to follow your user's manual as to where the actuator needs to be located in order for the OSSDs to go green. If any other flashing lights are occurring on the unit and it's not solid green, you may have wired something incorrectly. And again, take a look at that manual to help you wire everything properly. Similar to the locking style GS, if your input ready indicator is showing yellow and your OSSD is red, you may have incorrectly wired your red-black and red-white striped wires. Again, take a look at your user's manual to make sure all of the wires are properly connected in order for the unit to function correctly. Again, if any additional lights are flashing on the interlock, take a look at the troubleshooting section in the back of the manual to identify and resolve that error code. Reach out to your local Keyence representative with any additional questions or give our tech support team a call. Have a great rest of your day.